Hi everyone, this is Dave, and in today's video I have got an amazingly fast external SSD RAID solution for you. This is from OWC, also known as Other World Computing. This is their Mercury Elite Pro Dual Mini, and this is ideal for if you edit 4K video, either in your editing room or studio, or indeed if you edit on the move as well. Now this particular one has got two 1 terabyte extreme solid state drives, also from OWC, so it's their brand of solid state drives in here. You can buy just the enclosure, you can also buy it with different capacities as well, but this has got two 1 terabyte solid state drives inside. Now they're currently set to a RAID 0 configuration, and that's going to be the best option for you if you want the ultimate speed. So a little bit more about the build quality and the specification before I move on to doing a speed test for you. This is a small enclosure capable of handling two solid state drives inside, so it's got that sort of internal capacity. We've also got USB 3.1 Gen 2, so that's the very latest generation of USB 3.1. Inside the box you get the little enclosure itself. You also get two cables. This one is the one I'm going to be using in my test, which has got a USB-C connector on both ends, and you also get a USB-C to standard USB connector as well. Now the actual enclosure is a full metal enclosure, and it looks really nice and feels very nice as well. We've got this brushed sort of metal piece in the middle with the product name on. I think that looks really cool. And we've also got little sort of silicone feet on the bottom. Nice to see that these aren't black, so they don't mark sort of white tables and desks, which is all the trend nowadays. And then round on the back, we've got all of the connections. We've got the input for the included power supply. We've got the on-off switch. We've got the USB-C connector. We've got a little set button. And then we've got a little rotation switch. And this actually alters the mode that you've got it in. So span, RAID 0, RAID 1, independent drives, etc. So you've got choices there, and when you change the RAID mode, then you hit that set button to actually put the changes into effect. So we're going to connect this up now. I have got my USB-C cable at the ready. So we're going to connect this into my MacBook Pro. Now this MacBook Pro is a 2017 MacBook Pro. It's the 13-inch version with the touch bar. Highest specification, Thunderbolt 3 ports on the side, but also there obviously USB 3.1 as well, and compatible with the USB-C connector. I've also got the power supply just here, so we're going to connect in the power supply into the drive, and this should now turn on and be recognized on the desktop on my MacBook Pro. So we're going to move across to this and do a disk speed test. And the first thing we're going to do in the disk speed test software is click the little cog wheel, select the target drive, and make sure that we have in fact got the OWC hard drive selected. And then we're going to click start and see what sort of write and read speeds we get. And thanks to the really good performance solid state drives inside and that USB 3.1 Gen 2 connection, we're getting a write speed of 664 up to 784 megabytes per second on that particular one, and 858 megabytes per second on the read speed. That is absolutely fantastic and plenty fast enough for editing 4K video files directly on this external SSD RAID. This is a great performance, and it's really commendable, the speed of the solid state drives inside here, and also this brilliant hardware, fantastically built, really good build quality and amazing performance. If you want some really fast external storage, this is well worth considering. This is definitely the way to go. Now a little bit of a teaser for you. I am working on my new editing room tour for 2017, and look what I've got here. Enough said. If you want to check out this particular product for yourself, I'll leave a link down below to the OWC website. If you've enjoyed this video, please do hit that like button. Any comments or questions, leave them in the comments section below, and I'll see you in another video very soon on the Geekanoids channel.